Hello everyone and welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a very famous, healthy and delicious North Indian recipe, Rajma. Rajma beans are nothing but red kidney beans and these are normally available in two different varieties in shops, one which are light colored and other which are dark colored. Here I have used the light colored beans, but you can choose any one of them which is available. Although very frequently it is served with plain rice or with jeera rice, this also tastes very good with any kind of Indian bread like roti, fulka or naan. So let us start making this wonderful North Indian recipe. First, the ingredients. 1 onion which I have chopped into big pieces, 1 tomato which again I have chopped into big pieces, rajma masala or garam masala 2.5 teaspoons, oil 3 tablespoons, garlic cloves 4 to 5 big size, salt according to taste, and ginger 1 inch big piece which I have again chopped into small pieces. And of course red kidney beans or rajma 1.5 cups that you have to soak in water for at least 5 to 6 hours. So here I have already soaked them in water. Make sure that you add enough water for soaking because these beans are going to absorb water and swell up, so you need enough water when you soak them. Now first I am going to drain away all this water which was used for soaking. Now transfer all the kidney beans to a container that can go inside a pressure cooker. We might need 2 of them to fit all the kidney beans. And now we are going to add more fresh water so that the level of water is about half to 1 inch above the level of the beans. And now we are going to cook them in a pressure cooker for 3 whistles, but remember after 3 whistles reduce the heat to low and then continue to cook for half an hour more and then turn off the gas. While the beans are being cooked, let us prepare the gravy. First transfer the chopped tomato to a grinder jar. Similarly also add the chopped onion, ginger and garlic cloves. And now we are going to grind everything together to make a fine puree. Now heat oil in a pot and add all the puree that we just prepared. Now add the rajma masala or garam masala if you are using that. And now we are going to stir fry this nicely in oil till it becomes darker in color and little oil starts releasing along the edges. Keep turning it around. Now our gravy has been nicely stir fried. It is darker in color and you can see little oil along the sides. Then you can turn off the gas and then wait until the kidney beans are cooked. So our kidney beans are nicely cooked now. Remove them from the pressure cooker after the pressure has released. And now add all the cooked beans to the stir fried gravy. Now mix everything together. Add salt and now allow this to boil. Turn it around couple of times in between and then turn off the gas when it comes to a boil. If you want, you can garnish it with some raw onion and tomato and serve this hot delicious rajma with any kind of Indian bread or with rice. Enjoy making this healthy and easy recipe at home. Remember to post any questions or comments and also like and subscribe Uma's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.